Good day, this is SmartwatchSpecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Okay, we have here the Colmi P71, and one of the latest in the Colmi smartwatches collection, we have the Colmi P73 Smartwatch. Both are from P series smartwatches, okay, and we are here to compare these two wearables from Colmi. Again, this is our P71 and a P73 smartwatch. So if you have any questions regarding these smartwatches, just drop a comment below and we will try to answer your queries if we do have that time. Okay, so let's start and compare these two wearables. So again, we have here the Colmi P71 smartwatch, a sports smartwatch with a minimalist design, simple, casual looking wearable, and we have here the P73 smartwatch. Obviously, as you can see, it is an outdoor rugged type smartwatch. Okay, in terms of design, okay, these smartwatches do have a different look. Again, casual sporty type, and the other one is the rugged outdoor smartwatch. Okay, and it comes to the looks, it is pretty different, but they almost have the same thickness here, the same style at the back. Okay, and they are both lightweight and with good screen display. Okay, so take a look at these two wearables in terms of the design. Let me adjust the screen display here. Okay, let's change. Okay, beautiful looking smartwatches. Okay, these wearables are both from Colmi. Okay, for the specs, let's see. Again, the P71 is the simple one, or the casual type looking. Okay, we have call function here, the same features. For the specs, the same screen display, just different processor for the P71. For the battery, bigger battery life for the P73, 300 mAh. Both do have the Ip68 waterproof rating and compatible with iOS 9.0 and Android 5.0. In terms of screen display, it's just the same. Even the pixel resolution, as you can see here. Okay. Again, going back to the design here. So this is a PC material, plastic, the same with a Colmi P71. Both do have a bigger or wide black border on the bottom part. So the same IP68 waterproof rating, but with a, for the 73 Colmi P73, it has a much sturdier, okay, durable body frame. Okay, but what about the menus and features? Does it have the same menus and features, functions? We'll see. We'll check. Okay, and see if the UI is the same. Okay, so let's see. Let's check. Okay, on top of the P73, so we have here the quick settings. Okay, you can edit here on a Colmi P73, but here on the P71 it is fixed. Okay, but they both have a adjustment for the brightness. Oops. Okay, let's see. Yeah, that's it. Okay, going back. Okay, on the bottom part we have notifications, almost the same UI as you can see here. On the other side we have the menus. On the right side here, the same. You almost have the same UI here and features. You can also add here. Okay. Again, crown button for this one, for the P73. P71 rather. And for the P73, we have the push button here, power button, with dedicated sports button. Okay, for the main features, we have sports record. Okay. Heart rate monitoring. Telephone, the same. Bluetooth call. Music. Heart rate, let's see. Do they have the same UI? Okay, so different UI here, as you can see. With graphs for the P71. Maximum and minimum, the same. Okay. Again, let's see heart rate. We have a resting heart rate. We have a lot of details here for the P73. Sleep, telephone, SpO2. There's no blood pressure, I think. Okay, we have blood pressure also. Okay, almost the same. Breath training, Zen mode. Timer, we also have the same timer. Calculator, just a minor difference that you can see. Also have a game here. Game, the same game. Music control. So there's also female health here. Okay, almost the same features, just different positioning of the menus or the functions. Settings, preferences, sound, theme, dial settings. There's a night brightness here mode, night brightness mode for the P71. Okay, do we have it here? Seems like we don't have it here on the P73. There's also support for language, factory reset, about, system. Okay, going back. Let's go for the sports function. Sports. Okay, the same. We have walking, running, cycling, hiking, running, bike, spinning, basketball, volleyball. Almost have the same features here. Okay. Comprehensive list of sports function. Football, golf. Okay. It's almost the same sports. Just different location for the sports. Walking, let's see. Okay, so it counts for the steps, distance, calories, beats per minute. Okay. And heart rate. The same features here. Suspended. Back. Stop. Okay. So what else do we have here? Music. Okay, please connect to the phone. We don't have a Zen mode for the P73, I think. We have breath training, weather. Oops, that is flashlight. Okay. So we have the weather also. SpO2 timer, calculator. Let's see the calculator here. The same UI, as you can see. Okay. So basically, almost the same smartwatch when it comes to features. Okay. The software, it's almost the same. Just different body frame here. Okay. If you want a much casual look, go for the P71. If you want a rugged outdoor style, go for the P73. Both do have an Ip68 rating and with comprehensive list of features. For the display, the same 1.9 and the same pixel resolution. Touchscreen support. Okay, so that's it for the comparison, video comparison of the design and the menus and features of P71 compared with the P73 smartwatch. Okay, both wearables are from Colmi. Again, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Bye!